Today we're going to practice writing linear equations using the OMGmath method. The directions state to find an equation in slope-intercept form given 2 points. The first thing we observe is that we are given 2 points, 2, -6, and 4, -8. Our mission is to write an equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Our game plan is first to find our slope using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once we have our slope, we're going to pick a point, one that we were given, plug it in for x and y, and solve for b. Once we have m and b, we can go and plug them into slope-intercept form and write out our equation. So our first step is to find our slope. We take our points, 2, -6, 4, -8, and we label them so that we can find the slope. The first coordinate is x1, then y1, x2, y2. We're going to plug them into the slope formula, starting with y2, which is -8. We're going to subtract y1, which is -6, making sure to keep our second point in parentheses so that we don't accidentally forget to put the negative symbol on it. Then we do the denominator, 4 minus 2. When we simplify this, -8 minus -6 will turn into -8 plus 6, which reduces to -2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so our slope will be -1. The next thing we're going to do is pick a point and find our b value. It doesn't matter which point you pick. Since 2, -6 is a little bit smaller numbers to work with than 4, -8, that's the point I'm going to pick. I know -6 is my y value, so I'm going to plug in -6 into the formula y equals mx plus b. My m is -1, and my x value that goes with -6 is +2. When I go and simplify, I'm going to get -6 equals -1 times 2 is -2 plus b. To isolate b, I have to get rid of a -2. The opposite of a -2 is a +2. -2 plus 2 is 0, so that cancels out, leaving me with b by itself. -6 plus 2 is -4. So now I have my m and my b value. And my last step said once I have those to plug them into slope-intercept form. So my equation will be y equals, my m is -1, x, my b is -4, so I can write it as plus -4, or I can just write it as -4. So now I have an equation in slope-intercept form that looks like y equals mx plus b, so I am done, mission accomplished. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you want to get better at math, subscribe to my videos here. If you want more information on math, click on my website link here.